Hey, so if you're trying to choose the right company before applying, yeah, doing proper job research on Glassdoor can save you a lot of time and stress. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use it for job research step by step. First, type the company name into the search bar. This brings up their full profile with jobs, salaries, and reviews. Next, open the company page. This is where you'll see ratings, employee reviews, and basic company info all in one place. All right, scroll through employee reviews. This is where people share real experiences about work culture, management, and environment. Now go to the salaries section. This helps you understand how much employees actually get paid for different roles. Next, open the interviews section so you can see real interview questions and how difficult the hiring process is. All right, check the jobs section too. This shows current openings directly from that company. And yeah, don't stop at one company. Compare a few so you can see differences in salary, culture, and work-life balance. So that's how you use Glassdoor for job research. The more you compare, the better your job decision will be.